Considering shifting to a different country but simply don't have the funds for it? What if I told you that you could go there for free? Actually, scratch that. I'm not talking about it just being free. I'm saying you'll in fact get paid if you move there. That's right. The opportunities are not as out of reach as you might think. A little research and a few tips and tricks go a long way in getting you where you want. I'll be doing a countdown for my personally curated top 6 countries that will pay you to move there. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, Canada. First up, we have Canada. Canada's Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot offers a unique opportunity for skilled workers and their families. If you meet the eligibility criteria and secure a genuine job offer from a designated employer in one of the participating communities, you can receive financial incentives to support your relocation. So, how does Canada pay you? The program provides various forms of assistance to ease your transition. They offer help in finding a job that matches your skills and qualifications, ensuring that you can start earning a salary as soon as possible. Additionally, they provide support for your settlement in the community, such as access to essential services, language training, and assistance with cultural integration. But that's not all. Canada also offers permanent residency through this program. Once you meet the requirements, you can apply for permanent residency to live and work in Canada indefinitely. Permanent residency provides access to the same benefits and rights as Canadian citizens, including healthcare coverage and social security benefits. To apply for the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, you need to follow a few steps. First of all, you'll need to secure a job offer from an employer located in one of the participating communities. These communities have specific labor market needs and are actively seeking skilled workers to contribute to their local economies. Once you have a job offer, you'll work with your employer to complete the necessary paperwork and submit your application to the program. This involves proving that you meet and have the necessary qualifications and work experience for the job. You may also need to provide documentation to support your application, such as educational certificates, language test results, and proof of funds to support yourself and your family during the initial settlement period. Once your application is approved, you can begin your exciting journey to Canada. You'll get suitable housing, healthcare services, and many chances to integrate into the community. So pack your bags, update your resume, and embark on this thrilling journey to Canada, where dreams come true. With the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, you'll not only receive financial support, but also gain the opportunity for a new beginning in a vibrant and welcoming country. Number 2, New Zealand. Next up comes New Zealand, the land of adventure and money. New Zealand is ready to welcome you with open arms and even pad your bank account. But how exactly does this magical land pay you? Let's dive into the exciting details. The key to unlocking this treasure trove of opportunities lies in the New Zealand skills shortage lists. The country is in search of high-demand skilled workers in different fields that are in high demand. If your occupation is on the list and you meet the required qualifications, you'd be eligible for a range of benefits. So how do you apply for this golden opportunity? The first step is to check out the official immigration website of New Zealand. There, you'll find comprehensive information on the skills and qualifications required for each occupation on the shortage list. It's important that your skills match the criteria outlined for the specific job you're interested in. Once you've identified a suitable occupation and confirmed your eligibility, you can begin the application process. It typically involves submitting an expression of interest or an application form, along with supporting documents that prove your qualifications and work experience. These documents may include educational certificates, professional references, and proof of English language proficiency. The financial aspect of moving to New Zealand is an important consideration. While the country won't directly hand you a suitcase of cash, they offer many forms of assistance and benefits to support your relocation. The specific financial support you receive may vary depending on your occupation, qualifications, and the region you plan to settle in. Once your application is accepted, you'll be on your way to the adventure of a lifetime. New Zealand will not only provide you with job opportunities, but also welcome you into their vibrant society. From breathtaking landscapes to a warm and inclusive culture, you'll experience the true essence of Middle Earth. Get ready to explore the breathtaking landscapes, immerse yourself in the vibrant culture, and experience the thrill of a country that pays you to make it your new home. New Zealand is waiting for you with open arms, so don't miss out on this opportunity of a lifetime. Number 3. Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to toss your hats high in celebration because Australia has made the cut. Yes, we're talking beaches, kangaroos, and fat wallets. Australia is beckoning you to its shores with an irresistible offer. Not only will you get to experience the beauty of the land down under, but you'll also get paid for the privilege. So let's dive into the exciting details of how Australia will make your dreams come true. The Skilled Regional Visa Program is your gateway to a well-padded bank account and a new life in Australia. The country has a high demand for skilled workers, and they're ready to shower you with perks to make your move worthwhile. To apply for this opportunity, you'll need to visit the Australian government's immigration website. So you might be wondering, how does Australia sweeten the deal? Well, they might not shower you with dollar bills at the airport, but they offer various financial benefits and supports to ensure your smooth transition and settlement. Here's a glimpse of what you can expect. Not only does Australia present countless job opportunities, but it also rolls out the welcome mat with regional incentives through the Skilled Regional Visa Program, inviting tax benefits and a multitude of social benefits as well. To apply for the Skilled Regional Visa, you'll need to meet certain requirements. This typically includes having the necessary skills, qualifications, and work experience in an occupation that is in demand in regional areas of Australia. It's essential to check the occupation lists provided by the Australian government to determine your eligibility. The visa application process involves several stages. You'll need to submit an expression of interest, provide evidence of your skills and qualifications, undergo health and character assessments, and potentially secure sponsorship from an eligible regional employer. Although the exact process may vary depending on your circumstances and the visa subclass that you're applying for. Australia is not just about kangaroos and beaches. It's a land of opportunity where dreams can truly come true. So grab your travel mug, prepare your application, and get ready. The Australian government's immigration website will provide you with all the necessary information and guidance to embark on this exciting journey. Number 4. Germany. And then there's Germany, the land of beer, Rutwurst, and financial rewards. Hold on tight to your lederhosen because Germany is offering a taste of the good life, beer steins and green bills galore. The Job Seeker Visa Program is an invitation for skilled workers that have graduated from Germany to find employment in Deutschland. It's a chance to experience Oktoberfest's madness firsthand while earning a salary that'll make your bank account do the polka. To apply, check out the German government's official website, and soon enough, you'll be saying Prost to a life of adventure. This is my favorite option as it does not require you to be employed at the time of applying. The country is more than happy to help support you in looking for a job. There is a margin of 18 months where you can reside stress-free without any source of revenue. And if you manage to bag a job by the end of it, they change up your visa status to work visa, allowing you to stay for as long as you'd like. If you're a graduate of a German university, keep your eyes open for this opportunity. You might just hit the jackpot. Number 5. Singapore. Prepare to be amazed by the roaring opportunities in Singapore and get ready to unleash your potential in the bustling Lion City. Their various talent attraction programs are hungry for skilled individuals like you. With impressive salary packages and a vibrant multicultural environment, this island nation will make your heart sing. You must be wondering how to apply. Well, this is your cue to head on over and explore the official websites of Singapore's Ministry of Manpower. You'll find a treasure trove of information about the programs, such as the Tech Pass, which caters to tech professionals, and the Global Investor Program, designed for entrepreneurs ready to make their mark. If you have a leading role in a tech company, or if you've played a vital role in the development of a tech product, the Tech Pass program is the perfect fit for you. This program even provides for your family a Dependents Pass visa type, letting you settle well alongside your family for minimum 2 years and more as you keep on receiving renewal. So dust off your resume, polish your skills, and get ready to embark on an Asian adventure like no other. Number 6. Japan. Last, but certainly not least, we journey to the land of tradition and technological marvels, Japan. This captivating country is seeking skilled professionals to contribute to its thriving economy and rich cultural heritage. Programs like the Highly Skilled Foreign Professional Visa offer a gateway to a land where tradition seamlessly intertwines with technological marvels. From the neon-lit streets of Tokyo to the serene beauty of Kyoto's temples, Japan will captivate your senses while boosting your bank accounts. So what are you waiting for? To apply, visit the Japanese Immigration Services Agency's website and get ready to say konnichiwa to a life-changing adventure. The main documents you require are your passports, visa application form, and certificate of eligibility from an immigration bureau in Japan. The best part is that you get to bring your family, domestic staff, and even your parents in some cases under this visa. And in just 3 years, you can even apply for permanent residency. There you have it, my fellow adventurers. The world is your oyster, and these countries are just waiting for you to dive in and claim your pearls of prosperity. Bon voyage, my fellow globetrotters. I'm eager to hear which of these countries is calling your name. Drop your pick in the comments below, and keep an eye out for our next video. See you then.